So, if you look here, this is the brake light switch. And look at that right there. That very well may be why my brake lights don't work. I'm not positive, but I think it's possible. So here's some video of the nice shrink tubing, who I think that went really well. I think it's gonna hold fine. Same with the negative. It's not too bad. And the truck seems to be running pretty good. Can't ask for a whole lot more out of it. Been kind of a crazy day. Crazy night. Yeah. Nuts. So, let's see. Handy dandy toggle switch. Flick of the key. Vroom vroom says the truck. As you can see, I still haven't taken the radio out of it because I haven't had time. That's an interesting squeak. I wonder if that's a vacuum leak. It's never done that before. Of course, it's got to be on video. That's great. Well, at least she's back to running. And hopefully tires sometime soon if other stuff stops cropping up. And we'll just take it a day at a time. Hope stuff's going good for you guys. And, you know, I don't know what we're going to do next. Probably work on that brake light switch. I'd like to get some door handles. That would be great. But, alright guys, keep liking, subscribing, sharing, and I'll keep you updated. Bye. Hey guys, Cars and Fritz here. A little disheveled, a little worn out, but you know, we'll make a little something. So, you know, I rewired the fuel pump the other day, and I mounted it properly and everything like that. So, so that all works now, which is pretty exciting. Truck seems to be running good. I think I found the source of why my brake lights don't work. Let me take you out here and show you.